Hey fellas, this is the Lonely Dog from Urban Survival America. I normally don't do these type of videos, but today I'm doing something different because COVID-19 got me quarantined and we sitting around in the house. We got to do something. So what I did was I ordered the world's most inexpensive, no, the world's most cheapest action camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing of it. I just got the box in today, so you guys stay tuned. Okay guys, here we go. I'm going to do the unboxing round. This is the letstcom 4K Ultra HD action camera. I paid $25 for this joint. You know, open the box. Okay. Free 1 year extended warranty. Throw that down in there. We get the manual, the user manual on how to start and use it. Throw that down there. Now let's see what's in here. Yeah, put that down there for a second. Let's open this up. Let's see what we have in here. Wow, we have a few bags. I guess this is one of the little mounts or something. I don't know. Oh, it's like a little clip. This is a clip thing. Well, another mount. It comes with. You got the USB. Everything is wrapped in these little packages, you know. Well, mount, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, this is a part of the tripod mount. These are the straps. You know, if you want to put it on your handlebars when you ride your motorcycle. Oh, I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna definitely put it on there. Go try that out. I guess this is something to clean the lenses. We have zip ties. Something. These look like some Velcro, something, you know, so you can probably strap it on to something. Four zip ties. Some type of mountain wire. I don't know what that is. You know, like I said, the cleaning cloth. Oh, this is for the handlebars. Yeah. Another mountain bracket. Yeah, we got a bunch of these little mountain bracket things in here. And I guess this is the case. For the waterproofing, I guess. I don't know. But got that. Here's the actual can. All right, we have 2 batteries. There's 2 batteries in here. Oh, here's the other battery. Here's the camera. So I'm gonna shoot some video footage and some still images, and I'll get right back to you with that after the camera's all set up. Okay, guys? So stay tuned.